In this video, you'll see exactly how to convert your Excel data into a dynamic web dashboard using Claude AI with clear step-by-step guidance. Right now, we have sales performance data in Excel. Before building anything, it's important to keep your data clean, organized, and up to date, because a good dashboard always starts with good data. Now, let's move to the interesting part. We're going to do this in just 2 parts. Part 1, preparing the sample data. To get started, we'll follow 2 simple steps. Step 1, download your data into a CSV file. Now go to File. Click Export. Choose Change File Type. Select CSV. Then click Save. Now, your CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. Step 2, convert the CSV file into JSON format, because JSON makes it much easier to build and web-based dashboards. Open Google, search for CSV to JSON converter. Click on the first link. Now scroll down and choose CSV to JSON, and clear the default CSV option. Upload your CSV file, and click Open to continue. Now, click Convert to JSON, and once it appears on the right side, click to download it. After your JSON file is ready, next we move to Part 2. We'll use Claude AI and give it a single prompt to create our web dashboard. Now, open Google and search for Claude AI. Click on the official website at the top. You can use the free plan on Claude AI. This is the main Claude AI homepage. Next, go back and copy your JSON file. Then, paste it into Claude AI. Here's an important point. First, the prompt is available in the video description. Second, we'll show you how to create the prompt at the end of this video. Now, simply copy the prompt, paste it into Claude AI, and press Enter. Within moments, Claude AI will create your HTML-based sales performance web dashboard. Once it's completed, download the file. Now open the downloaded file. Next, upload the JSON file that you converted earlier. All right, take a look at this. See how powerful it is. At the top, you have a clean and well-designed title. Below that, your data is clearly displayed, up to 100 records. Then, you get 4 useful key metrics that give you a quick overview. And just below that, 7 premium charts beautifully visualize your data. No need to check every value manually. The charts make everything instantly clear. Finally, let's create a prompt. Quick and simple. Open Claude AI and start a new chat. Then, drag and drop any dashboard image into Claude AI. Once you upload the image, just type a simple line. I want a prompt to recreate this exact dashboard design. Then press Enter. Within seconds, Claude AI will generate a perfectly structured prompt for you. You can use that prompt directly, and that's it. In this video, you discovered how a single prompt can create a full web dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.